Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you my dog. I have two dogs. The little one names Charlie and the second one names Biscuit. Okay, where are they? Anyways, Bisky, 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 Bisky. Okay, we need to find Bisky. Over there, I found it. Okay, so that's my first dog. My first dog. Now let's close the door. My mom says to close the front door because mosquitoes. Let's go. Okay, where's Biscuit? Biscuit! Biscuit, Biscuit! Biscuit, Biscuit! Biscuit, where are you? My stupid sister named Sarah is not doing anything, so anyways, okay. Where's Biscuit? Biscuit! There's Charlie over there. There's my sister arguing with my brother. There's Charlie over there. Playing. Never mind. Okay. Stupid motherfucking bitch! Hey, fooler! You scratched my phone! Okay, never mind, guys. My stupid motherfucking brother just scratched my phone for some reason because he's stupid. Never mind. Where's we need to find Bisky. Bisky, Bisky, Bisky. What? I think Bisky likes to sleep under my dad's car, so let's go check. Okay. Come on, quick, quick, quick. Okay, I think that's my brown dad's car. Let's go check. Oh, he's not there. Bisky! 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 Oh my god. Okay, sorry guys, we can't find Bisky. I'll find him on another video. So bye.